स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. On the said basis, it set aside the award and directed the management to reinstate the surviving workmen who have not attained the age of superannuation with compensation of rupees 15,000 to each of them in lieu of back wages and to pay compensation of rupees 30,000 to each of the workers who have superannuated during the pendency of the proceedings and to fix lump sum compensation in consultation with the petitioner, which shall be paid to the actual heir of the workman who expired without getting any benefit, full stop. It directed the management to pay the said compensation within 6 weeks from the receipt of its judgment, full stop, para. Shri K.R. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, addressing arguments on behalf of the appellant, contended that the Labour Court, having permitted the parties to adduce evidence in justification or otherwise of the finding of the domestic tribunal, and having recorded evidence in this regard, justly came to the conclusion that the management has established its case of misconduct against the workmen, full stop. He also contended that the finding in regard to the extortion of the documents was not actually a new charge, but was in fact a part of the charge, which referred to the wrongful confinement of the manager, and there being sufficient material before the Labour Court, both in regard to the long and wrongful confinement of the manager and other officials of the estate, as also in regard to the forceful extortion of a document, full stop, para. The doctrine of proportionality, which appears to be the premise whereupon the learned trial judge, as also the High Court, laid its foundation for awarding death penalty on the appellant herein, provides for justifiable reasoning for awarding death penalty, full stop. However, while imposing any sentence on the accused, the court must also keep in mind the doctrine of rehabilitation, full stop. This considering section 354 in bracket 3 bracket out of the code is especially so in the cases where the court is to determine whether the case at hand falls within the rarest of the rare case, full stop, para. Further, indisputably, the manner and method of disposal of the dead body of the deceased was abhorrent and goes a long way in making the present case a most foul and despicable case of murder, full stop. However, we are of the opinion that the mere mode of disposal of a dead body may not by itself be made the ground for inclusion of a case in the rarest of rare category for the purpose of imposition of the death sentence, full stop. It may have to be considered with several other factors full stop, para. Awarding death sentence is an exception, not the rule, and only in the rarest of rare cases the court could award death sentence, full stop. The state of mind of a person awaiting death sentence and the state of mind of a person who has been awarded life sentence may not be the same mentally and psychologically, full stop. The court has got a duty and obligation to elicit relevant facts even if the accused has kept totally silent in such situations, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये लगभग 100 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो चुका है पटना हाई कोर्ट के लिए। तो इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह नहीं आए हुए हैं, कोई भी नाम आया है? नहीं आया है। चलिए, नाम नहीं आया हुआ है तो इसको डिक्टेशन लीजिएगा, बताइएगा। मिक्स मैटर है ये, ठीक है। दूसरे दो मैटर्स को मिलाकर ये बनाया गया है। और कैसी लगी स्पीड, कितनी मिस्टेक आई, सब कुछ शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि डिक्टेशन में क्या सुधार करना चाहिए, वो सुधार हम करेंगे, ठीक है। चलते हैं, फिर मिलेंगे अगले डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।